Oh, look at that.
Now you go out.
It looks like a miniature Titanic coming at us. Wow, that is a beauty, eh?
Hello, buddy.
Hey, hey!
¡Qué preciosa! It's beautiful.
Beautiful, Richie.
You're right. What a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Again and again.
That's a nice ship, man.
Yes, it is coming. It is coming. I'm going to invite you when it is ready for you.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Just beginning. Here we go.
Very, very
We're
stately.
going to get some water at the dock.
Okay.
We're going to put some fuel and come back.
How many holes is boat?
How many?
Old.
How many what?
Viejo, ¿qué tan viejo es?
¿Cuántos años?
¿Cuántos años? 87.
Wow.
It's a classic. Franklin Delano Roosevelt was in it for a few days while he visited some islands at the northern in the Eleutherian Islands after the war.
Franklin Roosevelt?
Yes, they took it for the war from the owner for some time.
Wow.
Yeah, it was called the Coast Guard number 7291. And then it was the property of Mr. Hefner's partner, the Playboy's owner.
Yeah, she got a little history, huh?
His partner his name was Charles something. He owned it and called her Playmate.
And now you
It
call...
belonged to this family in Alaska. They took it out for seeing whales.
Whale watching ship.
Then we took it.
She's got some history. She's a beauty.
History where, man? Hitler where?
Y navega muy lindo. Dar cuenta ahorita.
Wow, she picks up speed fast. Look at that. What a beauty. Oh yeah, we be styling. We getting back in shape, getting into our regular walks still, doing well. And yeah, it's working for both of us. I lost about 7 pounds. I think Madalena lost 6 or just over 2 kilos. And yeah, today I was down about 8, almost 9. So it's working and we're getting healthy and we're enjoying it. And what a beautiful place to go for a walk every morning. So can't really beat it. We're really enjoying it here. Oh, the news. News update.
I think something start to come back to the norm.
Yeah, things are slowly starting to come back to normal again. We see more tourists on the walk and everything, so that's a good thing. Slowly starting to wake up the island. But yeah, we're just enjoying having a little bit of time and being able to still walk along the beach here. It's still very quiet, so that's nice. Still got the police out keeping an eye on everything, making sure everything stays good and safe, no issues. And as you know, we've just been trying to stay out of trouble, but still staying entertained a little bit and in shape. My ear's doing well, so thanks for all your comments there. Healing up nicely. But today it's Madalena's turn. Yeah, we've got something in store for Madalena, but we're both working on getting ourselves all fixed up while we're here because everything is so affordable. I mean, it's unbelievable the difference between, you know, prices here and in North America. We could never afford to do this kind of stuff in North America for sure, especially since it's all under insurance companies and everything and just ridiculous pricing.
So,
We don't have insurance down here, so everything is paid by in cash, but that's the way it is for all the Colombian people. It's not about insurance, you know, they're not trying to make $1 million, just trying to keep you healthy and fixed and keep your teeth good and everything. So that's what today's about. Now we're going to pick up Madalena's new present that's just arrived. So it's supposed to be in the delivery company. We're going to pick that up now and show you what we got in store next.
yeah, I'm very happy.
She's all smiles, literally.
In San Andres, the beach will be open, maybe, I don't know, 18 of this month. All the time is 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks,
Yeah.
2 weeks. But
2 weeks. You've heard that before, right? 2 weeks. Yeah, it's all open. 2 weeks. Everything back to normal. 2 weeks. We've been hearing that since March. You too? I think so.
I think the local people are very
2 weeks.
tired.
I don't ever want to hear 2 weeks again in my life. Seriously.
Yeah, me too.
But anyway, we're back to our walk and we'll see you with the package.
Coco Chillón, because of e Coca Princesa. Concha Princesa. Oh, it's so beautiful. Male? Eh? Male e female.
Hello guys.
Ciao, sono precioso.
Oh, that was fast.
Yeah.
They shipped yesterday from mainland and you got it here already.
Yeah, with 7 tigers.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, we found a new happy place. They're open, first place open on the beach. And there's our view. Nice. Somebody's happy.
It's not for my body, but I almost passed. Oh, I'm very happy.
Gracias.
Gracias. Something starts to come back to the normal time.
Sí. Sí. Good, gracias. Cheers to that.
Fresh beer in a glass, sitting
In a
on
glass.
the table.
Sitting at a table
In
at
front
the
of
beach.
the beach.
Yep.
Yes. Make me this Monday very hesitant.
Yeah, we only wait 6 months for this. Wow.
Yeah, and 7-kilometer walking this morning.
Best beer we've had yet. Yeah, after a 7-kilometer walk. Oh boy. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers to you. All right, back on the boat. And by now, some of you, I'm sure, are wondering, what's in the box?
Oh,
I know
very
somebody
excited.
is. Well, she knows what's in the box, but she's excited about it. We've been waiting for it for a while. Let's see. I think the box says it all. Smile full. Remember, I told you guys, I mean, stuff is so affordable here, and we've had such good experience with medical, dental, all of that stuff. I had my dental done the first time I was here, and it was so good and so inexpensive, I actually came back. This is actually Madalena's braces. So they make 3-dimensional braces here. The first time I was here, they did an x-ray of your all your teeth and everything with this machine. It just starts spinning circles around your head. I felt like I was on Starship Enterprise or something. It was crazy. But it actually makes 3D models of every single tooth in your mouth, and they can do whatever they want to manipulate those models. So they make these braces. Where's your open one? Yeah. See, I have something similar that I had made back in Grenada a couple years ago. It's these. These aren't braces. These are just for teeth whitening. They're just molds of your teeth. You put in the whitening paste and you put them on your teeth and let it sit for an hour or whatever. But they actually make these things in a hard molded plastic that's 3D generated and printed. And yeah, they're not flexible like mine. These are braces. Braces. I couldn't believe it. And you guys might have seen this already. I don't know. I've been living on a boat for 15 years, so this technology is new to me. I'm blown away. Especially the price of it. I mean, I remember what it cost when my kids had braces. It was 3 to 4 times what these cost. That's all I can tell you.
And it's invisible.
Yeah, they're invisible. Yeah, look at that. You can't tell that she's wearing them once they're on. Perfect. The technology has advanced so much. I'm quite impressed, and they send along 3 months worth of these molds at a time. So that's what today's was. Today's package was the next 3 months of her braces, because they change every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks I need to change and send a picture of my teeth, and they check the movement, if you score it, if they move a lot, if you need to make some modification in my bracket. Here in Colombia is a lineador.
The whole thing is tracked through an app. So every 2 weeks, she has to change her brackets, and then she comes to me with her camera, and I have to take pictures of all the angles and show them the progression of the movement of her teeth. Because when they first tell us about these molds, they sent us a 3D animation and say, okay, here's what your teeth are at the start, here's what they're going to be at the end. And it's pretty amazing. They just take all these scans that I was telling you about, that they've made these 3D animations of your teeth and show you exactly what the movement's going to be and what the end result's going to be. So.
And then we live in a sailing boat, we travel a lot. It's very good because I can receive this in all the places. Then I'm in all the place. Then I'm.
Any place you are,
yeah.
Because yeah, Smileful is basically worldwide, but their base that we're dealing with is in South America, and they just send us these packages. Doesn't matter where you are, they'll get them to you. And they got us this package in 24 hours from Cali, Colombia. So
Yeah.
pretty impressed. But anyway, if you guys go back and look at Madalena's smile when we first started filming months ago and compare it to now, she's had them in for about 4 months. I think that's how long we've been working with them so far. It's amazing to see the difference. Yeah, I watch the videos when I'm editing, and I'm like, wow, your smile has really changed. Yeah, if you've never heard of this, you should check them out. I don't know if they're available in the States and all that too, but they're so inexpensive to get done here, it almost makes it worthwhile just making a vacation to come here. All the money that you can save with getting dental work and healthcare and stuff if you have any necessities that need to be done. It's one of the reasons I come to San Andres. I mean, I keep telling you guys this, it's not a joke, it's amazing. It's just, I can afford to get stuff done here because we don't have insurance for stuff like that. I very much appreciate finding a place like this where I can get stuff done at affordable rates. Anyway, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Just thought we'd share that with you guys because another useless piece of information from Captain Rick, but every little bit helps for some of us, you know? But now we need to get this smile ready for dinner tonight because we've got a last party coming up, so that's next. And as often happens in our world, it's time again to say goodbye. And I say again because, well, we already said goodbye to the crew of Silver Wolf and Paradise, but then they came back, as you know, and they've been here for a while, but tonight is their last night because they are booked on the first official flights to go back to Europe out of Bogota. Tonight's our last night to say goodbye, so we got a few beers in hand. We're gonna go over and have a beer and pizza party on the dock and say last farewells. That's tonight. That's tonight, eh, Parda? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Say beer and pizza.
Beer and pizza. Beer and pizza. Easy, Speedy.
Yeah, luckily we got a nice, kind of a sunset, but a nice night, not raining at least.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Need help?
Sometimes.
Mommy! And next our wounded soldier. Be careful. Be careful. Watch that foot. Don't need any man overboard rehearsals.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Alright, we good? Perla likes dinghy rides. Ciao, ciao, Tiki. We'll be back soon. That's the only reason you're walking. Painkillers. Back in the BVI, that was the name of the most popular drink in the BVI. In the Virgin Islands.
Killer.
The painkiller.
My new favorite substance.
I need my shoes.
What's wrong?
I need to put the trash.
Oh. Oh, I can take the trash. You hold this.
Yeah, really? Thanks so much.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
voy a poner a colgar. No puedo colgar. Aquí, aquí.
Hey, Vale.
Vale, my friend.
¿Todo bien?
I'm fine now.
Silver wolf.
Yeah. Look at this. It's very big.
Oh,
It's beautiful.
what guy doesn't love to hear that?
Eh?
What guy doesn't love to hear that? It's okay?
Yes, no problem.
Ah, gracias.
Está tranquila esta noche, mírala.
Sí, porque come un papel de chocolate.
No, mamá, que es abajo. Se debe acostumbrar a estar abajo también.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You Capitan.
And with the moon is almost full.
Fíjate, papá. No te ves. ¿Qué papá?
Ah.
On the mechanism.
Ah,
Mechanical.
okay. For go up, go down.
Yes, yes, yes.
Open, close.
This very, very power.
Okay. And another side, so you have another one.
Yeah, those are racing winches.
Yeah. Wow. We can go down?
See,
Andrea?
I see the boat, Valentina.
Andrea?
You want
I have visited.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay for you?
Gracias.
I have visited the boat.
Yes. Want this?
Yeah, because when bam bam, I get problems.
Because you're very big. Yeah, I visited.
Big galley.
Yeah.
Very, very. A lot of cabin. Huh? Wow.
Nice boat.
And when people live here?
Yeah, look.
No, I.
And here, Andrea, have more cabins?
Yeah, there's another tunnel goes. Too dark.
No, now I think so. Is the control cabin, controls, radio, everything. How many cabins have this boat? 5 cabins.
What is the boss?
For this,
The boss
5.
of the boat?
And have another
Who is
place for sleep.
the
This sport boat.
check?
You are asking.
Okay.
It's it was built for
I
racing.
think, could
Yes,
you
but he told me that
I think cruise
Aye, aye.
boat maybe 20
20 people.
years.
You told me that.
Yeah, this is my cayute.
We see you hiding in there.
Yeah,
This is your nest?
this is like this.
He told it that he made
But
the
it's
boat.
good.
The boat made 2 times the races.
it's-
War.
Mm-hmm. Alright.
Comfortable.
It's like 20
Like,
people
you know.
sit. 20 people.
20?
Yeah. In a total can sleep 20 people. little Bella.
Mary?
You like pizza?
Yeah.
Captain,
Yeah.
where is the money?
Oh, pizza's here? Oh, somebody likes pasta. I think there's an Italian on board.
I see the same. The pasta.
Okay.
Now I'm here.
Wait.
In my pocket, look.
Hi.
Maybe.
Just my
Hello.
What, just
Oh, yeah.
1 second, I have a problem. Captain, bring this.
My life.
Oh, it's very hard to go down.
Yep.
1 second, 1 second.
I go down in the water now.
All right, pizza's here. That means dinner time, so we gotta go. Hope you enjoyed that tour. Silver Wolf. Muy bueno.
I give you the.
Oh,
Yeah.
esattamente.
Give it to Eric.
What?
This is too much.
No, do you need money still?
Ah, yeah. Okay, gracias.
Gracias, amigo.
Ok, me deja 40 de vuelta.
Ricky?
No, y yo ya. Hi.
Good. Mm.
Pizza last night.
Last night. Caribbean.
Colombian pizza.
Yeah.
Without.
Thank you. Yes, without. Okay, we switch.
Hey, where are you going with that pizza?
And Valentina's needs more.
You always need more.
I didn't say it.
I said it because I know.
Delicious.
It's a big guy.
It's very good.
Looks yummy.
Yeah.
Little.
Only one pizza,
Massage.
Yeah.
but a whole other
put a
one
lot
here.
or what?
Mm,
Just
yeah.
a little bit.
A little bit?
Blue eyes.
I'm sharing this with my friend Valentinus.
Yes.
The night before he leaves and heads back to home, Lithuania. It's going to be a long voyage, not one night, not two, maybe 3, 4, 5, nobody knows.
Yeah.
But this is a special occasion, so we opened up. Oh, it's backwards.
Yeah.
We opened up a bottle of Zacapa. 23 Zacapa. 23-year-old.
Yeah.
And I say to you, cheers, buddy.
Cheers. Thank
And
you.
I don't say goodbye.
Yes.
I say, I see you when I see you again.
Right. Thank you, Captain.
Salute,
Thank you,
mate.
Thank you.
Salute, guys.
Thank you.
That is a smooth rum.
Yes.
Not even a bite. Notice I didn't even hesitate. Look, I'll do it again. Nothing.
Yeah. Nothing. Just
Smooth as
smooth.
silk.
Yeah.
Smooth like silk.
That's enough.
But a special rum for a special night.
Smelling.
Cheers to my buddy Valentinus.
Thank you. One more
We
time.
love you, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And we will see you again.
Thank you.
You be sure and let us know when you're coming back this way. I know you're not going to stay home for long. We know he's not going to stay home for long.
Okay.
It's winter time.
Yeah. Okay.
And hi, Valentinus' mom. We love you too.
Yeah. We're around the world. Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Salute.
Salute.
Wow.
Nice.
Goodbyes suck. No. Salute. And today marks the final day in the chapter of our friends on Paradise and Silver Wolf. Just waiting to see the plane come over the horizon there. But they've already sent us pictures. They are on board and buckled in and just awaiting takeoff.
Oh, it ain't money, honey. The birds a smile on my face.
they go. It's been a long saga for them here. Everybody's stuck so far away from home for the last 7 months. Quite an adventure. But now they're finally on their way home, and at least we don't have to worry about them for 6 weeks crossing the Atlantic in hurricane season. So well played, amigos. Well played. We'll see you around that horizon someday.
I could write a song that makes you cry and breaks your heart. Sing aloud all about how this life is so hard. But if misery loves company, then happiness does too. So let's get together, make it all better, and smile up at the moon. What makes the world go round is love, love, love. The gravity of humanity ain't always enough. Spinning faster like that laughter, give it till it's all night. Yeah, what makes the world go round is love, 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 love. What makes the world go round is love, love, love. The gravity of humanity ain't always enough. Spinning faster like that laughter, give it till it's all night. Yeah, what makes the world go round is love, 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 love. What makes the world go round is love, gravity of humanity ain't always enough, ain't always enough. La 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 la, give it till it's all night, all night. What makes the world go round is love. Oh, what makes the world go round is love. Spin it, spin it, spin it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What makes the world go round, go round.
I have a nice time from this time and from this island. Thank you.
In Russian.
Okay. Спасибо большое за то, что я нахожусь здесь. Спасибо большое моим родителям, близким и Богу, что я имею возможность находиться с Мэгги, общаться с ней, иметь друзей. Я познакомилась с Катей еще с одной замечательной девчонкой. Спасибо вам огромное за понимание, поддержку, за правильные, нужные советы. Я провожу здесь очень-очень хорошее время, несмотря на то, что я здесь работаю.
Okay, I thinking is a lesson, Russian lesson. Okay, I don't understand anything. You repeat, please.
No, I'm not repeating. Okay. Maggie.
Please translate in English for me. It's too long.
Okay. My fucking English, I'm not.
It's
not
very
repeat-
nice your English.
No. Okay,
When I met you for the first time, you remember you don't speak English. No hello, no anything.
I know.
Yeah.
But
now you speak
I
better than me sometimes.
I speak right now. I have a nice time. I have a nice mood from you, from my boat sometimes, from Katya. I have a nice pictures. I thank you so much, God and my family. I'm stay here, and I have a nice time.
You are beautiful women.
I have
So sweet. My friends. I'm very happy to meet you.
I have a nice teacher. I know one girl. Name is Maggie. You and everybody not understand my thing, but I have a really it's serious. I have a good my teacher and yoga and help me cook help me talk in my
Help
boat.
me drink a beer. or Ron.
Woman, shut up.